Hello guys, I'm Roosevelt, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to create outline stroke effect in Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So I have my model's image over here, the image I'll be using for this tutorial. And what I'll do is go to select and then click on subject. Now under Photoshop, I've made the selection for us. What we'll do is let's try and then expand the selection a little bit. And to expand the selection, go back to select, modify, and then select expand. Over here, set the expand value to I think 20 pixels is okay, and click on OK. Now the next thing to do is to right click, but then when it's like this and then you right click, it won't work. So that I'm using the move tool is selected, but then when I right click, it doesn't work. Let me show you the way. Select the rectangular marquee tool, and then when you right click, it will come. And when you get something like this, just select the make work path. Over here, leave the tolerance as default as 2.0 pixels and click on OK. So now we have something like this. What to do is to select the pen tool. Instead of selecting my pen tool over here, and after selecting the pen tool, just click on shape. And we've added a shape, but then we didn't want the shape to cover the whole image. So let's say if you get something like this, don't worry, I'll show you how to correct it. So let's say you have something like this, and just change this. You see here's on path, so change it from path to shape. After doing that, you see that the fill side of the shape is the fill side has a color. You just click on it and click this side to remove the color from it. Then click on stroke and let's select white color, and let's increase our stroke size a little bit. Okay, let's go with 5. Yeah, 5 is okay. Then let's change this line. Let's change it to short dashes, and then we are good to go. So okay guys, so this is how to create an outline stroke effect in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this video and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Also like, comment, and share with others. See you in the next video.